Hello, my name is Kelly Reed, and this is me. My mom calls me an avid adventurer, a nature lover, and my personal favorite, a pine tree whisperer. For as long as I can remember, being outdoors in nature has always been one of my top priorities. Nature makes me feel calm, grounded, and at peace. To me, nature is home. Nature is one of the few places where I can feel confident and be my truest self. I feel a very spiritual connection to nature, and I believe that nature is a sacred place full of immense detail that deserves our protection. This is me when I was 4 years old on a family camping trip. I was sitting along with my older brother Jack and my older sister Delaney. This family camping trip was the first memory I have of living out in the woods and sitting next to a campfire. Ever since then, I simply cannot get enough of the great outdoors. Outdoor recreational activities has helped me to deeply connect with the natural world around us. Recreation allows humans to experience the beauty and the enormity of the natural environment. Recreation also provides new opportunities, knowledge, and leisure. Outdoor recreation is extremely important to me because I want to spend the rest of my life outdoors in nature, doing research, educating others about the outdoors, and especially protecting the wilderness. Starting in 7th grade, I began going to a 2-week summer camp named Camp Manitowish YMCA. Throughout my 3 years of participation, I had many natural resource-based recreational experiences in the outdoors that shaped me into who I am today. I participated in a canoe trip in Manitowish waters, a backpacking trip in the Porcupine Mountains, and a sea kayaking expedition in the Apostle Islands. Each trip I took helped me to gain knowledge and love for the outdoors. My sea kayaking trip was an extremely influential adventure. This was the only trip where I truly recognized the benefits being active in the outdoors had on both my mental and physical well-being. By going to camp, I also met some of the most amazing people who I consider to be my lifelong friends. The variety of places that I have visited helped me to open my eyes to the beauty of the natural world, the benefits that it holds, and always has left me wanting more. My perspective towards outdoor recreation has not only changed over time, but developed into something so meaningful and full of passion that I want to spend my whole career working in it. When I was growing up, I never realized or even thought of the impacts that I was making on the natural environment. Climate change and environmental degradation was definitely not at the forefront of my mind. I also never truly grasped how large of a detailed system nature is. Nature is full of the tiniest, smallest things that only nature will ever understand. Now that I'm older, I'm aware of the beauty that lies in these details. I'm also hyper aware of my impacts, strictly follow L&T principles when I'm recreating, and do everything in my power to minimize my carbon footprint. I also now recognize that outdoor recreation is a privilege, and it is our duty to protect and take care of nature so that it can thrive to its fullest potential. During my time studying recreation management with an outdoor emphasis, I have learned the ins and outs of getting involved with the natural environment. On average, I currently go on one outdoor adventure a week, whether it's taking a hike with some friends, walking the marshes, or just sitting at a pretty lookout spot. I try my hardest to live a sustainable lifestyle in order to minimize my impact on Earth's natural elements, but there's always room for improvement. My reminder for you all is that nature is constantly growing and changing, and so are we. Circumstances change, things change, people change, life changes. But in the end, it's all for the better. So enjoy every minute of change and growth, and nature will be right behind you, changing and lifting you up. What is love?